The question says a series LCR circuit containing 5 Henry inductor, 80 microfarad capacitor and 40 ohm resistor is connected to 230 volt variable frequency AC source. The angular frequencies of the source at which the power transferred to the circuit is half the power at the resonant angular frequency are likely to be. Now we need to understand that if I draw the graph, I get the graph like this for the amplitude or the connection to be the maximum, the current to be the maximum for the resonating frequency, but at half the frequency or half the amplitude or half the power, I can say the frequency have a left extreme and have a right extreme, or I'll call this as preferably as W1 and W2 or omega 1 and omega 2 basically. Now here you need to understand that this gap is nothing but called as bandwidth. Okay, so first let us find the resonating frequency, which is nothing but 1 upon root of LC. So we get this as 1 upon root of the inductor as 5 and capacitance as 80 into 10 raised to minus 6. So that's definitely 1 by root of 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. So if we take the square root, we get 1 by 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. That's like 100 by 2, that is 50. So definitely this central point is going to be 50. Now that means the range will lie somewhere below 25 to about 25. Okay, so we need to find this bandwidth for that, and the bandwidth formula is actually R by L, the resistance by inductance. So that is 40 by 5, which is 8. That means this range is of 8. So I can say omega 2 is actually equal to, or omega 2 minus omega 1 is actually equal to 8, where omega r is 50. That means we can say omega 2 is omega r plus the bandwidth by 2, and omega 1 is the resonating frequency minus the bandwidth by 2. So that is going to give us 50 plus 8 by 2, that is 54, and 50 minus 8 by 2, that is 46. So our range or the angular frequencies are going to be 46 radian per second and 54 radian per second, and ये होगा हमारा फाइनल आंसर.